I'm going to show you how to get the online ordering installed on your WordPress website in less than 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's suppose you have a Clover POS and you want to get online orders installed on your WordPress website. It's very simple to do that. So here's the Clover POS and you want that orders to print to it. So let's say you have a mini, a station, or any one of these devices here, and you want it to print to the Clover or to the kitchen printer, and you want to know the best way to do that. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's do the first step first. First step, very simple. Go to the app market, find Smart Online Order, press it one time, and then install it. Since I already have it installed, I'm going to press Open App. Okay, and then all I need from this point forward is the API key. So how do I get the API key? Once you install the app, select this option right here. Okay, this will give you the API key to do it yourself. If you're not sure how to do it, again, there's YouTube videos that will guide you step by step, just like this video is guiding you, or you can have us do it for you. You could click that one. But in this case, I'm going to do it myself. So press start, and once you press start, you'll get the API key. Once you get the API key, the next step is simply go to the back end of your WordPress website and install the plugin. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, I'm logging into the back end of my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and find the plugin. Okay, again, to find the plugin, it's in the WordPress plugin directory. So to find it, just press plugins, add new, and then type in Clover. Okay, and if you're a restaurant, install this one right here, Smart Online Order. If you're doing retail, install this one. Okay, this is for restaurants right here. Once you install it, activate it, press active. Once you see the active sign, you'll see it right here. Press settings. And then from here, just paste the API key, which is very simple. Oh, actually, it's already, okay. So once you paste the API key, I had already actually pasted the API key. So you'll see your address. Press Save Changes. Next step is to import the inventory. Again, it'll show you how much inventory you have. If you haven't imported yet, press Import Inventory. Okay. You'll see how many items you have. So in your case, you may have more items or less items, but once you do that, it's all done. Then you can see your store page. So the next step to see it, you would simply go to your website and press /store. So you go to, like, let's say your website's name is edwardsrestaurant.com. You go to edwardsrestaurant.com/store, and that's where you'll see the order online page. And then from here forward, you just make sure you're doing delivery, pickup, check your categories, which items you want to hide, which ones you don't. In this case, they have all their categories, but they don't have any items. So it appears they're still adding it. So once you add it, do a manual sync. Once you finish adding it, just press update order types, update modifiers, update categories, update all items, and it'll import that data into it. Okay. Again, if you want to learn each of these features, there's a different video on YouTube for that. In this video, I was just showing you how to get it going. Okay, and that's it. Once you do these 3-4 steps, you'll have it all set up. Very quick and very simple to do. All right, thank you so much.